Be intentional. Build wealth. Download our free financial toolkit. Sign up for the Hump Days newsletter. And drop your thoughts in the comments below. When it comes to your biggest expenses, housing is right at the top, no matter where you live. But is it really better to buy a home, or does renting make more sense? Let's break down the hidden costs and the global math behind one of the most important financial decisions you'll ever make. Buying a home sounds like the ultimate goal, but it's a lot more than just the list price. In the US, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate is hovering around 7%, meaning you could pay almost double the price of your home over the life of the loan. And don't forget the down payment, which can range from 3% to 20% depending on your loan and your country. In places like Canada, the UK, and Australia, high home prices mean even bigger upfront costs. Then there are property taxes, sometimes thousands of dollars a year, plus homeowners insurance and ongoing maintenance. Experts recommend budgeting at least 1% of your home's value each year just to keep things in shape. That's before you even think about renovations or unexpected repairs. Now let's look at renting. On the surface, it seems like money down the drain, but it comes with flexibility and far fewer surprise expenses. In many countries, like Germany and Switzerland, renting is actually the norm, with strong tenant protections and stable markets. You skip the property taxes, avoid maintenance headaches, and might even be able to invest the money you would have spent on a down payment. So, which is better? The answer depends on your lifestyle, local market, and long-term plans. Here are a few tips. Compare the price-to-rent ratio in your city. If buying costs more than 20 times the annual rent, renting may be the smarter move. Shop around for mortgage rates and factor in all the extras: taxes, insurance, and repairs. If you're not ready to settle down for at least 5 years, renting often makes more sense financially. And wherever you live, don't stretch your budget just to keep up. The best home is the one that lets you build wealth, not debt. Your turn. Have you found renting or buying to be more cost-effective where you live? What hidden costs surprised you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check out our toolkit for more tips on making smart housing decisions. Your future self will thank you.